The Clarke Log Buster H4 4-ton horizontal electric log splitter is the safe, easy and quick way to split logs. Save yourself the back-breaking work of chopping logs with an axe and use the power of hydraulics. Mounted on 2 large wheels and featuring a pull handle for easy transportation, the Log Buster H4 is compact enough to be stored easily in a garage or shed, making it perfect for home and trade users. After placing the log on the bed, pushing the 2 handles drives the ram forward, producing a nice, clean split in the log. The Log Buster H4 can split logs up to 370mm long and 250mm in diameter. Powered by a 1500-watt, 230-volt motor, the hydraulic ram gives a splitting force of 4 tons, effortlessly splitting both hard and softwood logs. Operating the Clarke Log Buster H4 is specifically designed to be a 2-handed process for maximum safety. And a full, tough steel mesh safety guard helps to protect you from shards of timber. It makes simple work of splitting the hardest of logs. The perfect accessory to raise the log splitter to a more convenient working height is this sturdy H4 stand. The ideal product for moving logs to your working area is the Clarke LCWC log cart. Its large 10-inch pneumatic wheels give smooth movement over uneven ground, and its tough tubular steel construction can carry a massive 100-kilogram load. It even includes a cover to keep the logs dry. Once your logs are split and sized, why not store them neatly with this Clarke CWR1 rack? Manufactured from durable tubular steel, it will keep your wood off the ground and dry. All these accessories are available from your local Clarke stockist. The powerful, quiet and safe Log Buster H4 will save you time and money and give you many years of great service.